Hello, Chef here once again. Something new, another first for you. Today we're stuffing a tomato in the tomato using a tomato knife. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is work on this middle tomato, and I've got a core here, and I'm going to core right through this little guy to make a nice opening like this. Very cool. You can see what I got going on there. Tomato. Okay, so then I'm going to use the tomato knife and I'm going to insert this tomato through this tomato right here like this. Oh, it's still a little large, no problem. Just remove a little bit like this so that the tomato can be collapsed slightly. So now this tomato is inside this tomato. So we've got already a stuffed tomato. Now we're going to put the tomato inside this tomato. And once again, I'm going to use the core as well as the tomato knife. Core pops right through, nice and easy. You can see what I got going on there now. Tomato and a tomato and a tomato. Okay. Now we're going to make it fit by using this tomato knife. It's pretty nice. It's a serrated paring knife basically, and it will cut a nice clean hole through about anything. There you go. Pretty cool. Okay. So now we insert the tomato in the tomato, and we've got a stuffed tomato. There's 3 of them there. Okay. Now we're going to take and we're going to slice the tomato to give us rings of tomato. Utilizing a salad, but I just wanted to share that with you, that anything is possible in food when you apply yourself and follow the chef's instructions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a great day and keep cooking. So we've added this stuffed tomato to a salad here, drizzling with just a touch of truffle oil. Oh yeah, truffle oil. A little bit of 25-year balsamic vinegar. Oh, that stuff's looking good, let me tell you. Smells really good, nice and thick. I like it. And of course, fresh ground Hawaiian sea salt, as well as peppercorn blend. Yeah, that salad's gonna be good, let me tell you. Support your sponsor. Stay tuned for more videos from the chefs. Yeah. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look.